about awesome people, what an awesome person I have with me in studio. So you were very particular on how I pronounce your name, Cindio. You're like, it has the accent. So ni Mũnũku,
Mũnũku, yes.
Mũnũku.
You actually got it right when you called the first name.
Hi guys, my name is Robert Mũnũku. I am the director of an arts collective called Mau Mau Arts, and I would like to invite you to my creative writing workshop.
Robert Mũnũku is just the right person to be doing this job, in this organization.
I've also recommended very many people, especially beginners who want to learn how to act, learn how to do behind the scenes of a movie to him.
I look at a number of things, but just a background on who I am. I have worked in the corporate world, I've worked in the NGO sector, I have done numerous independent films. I am a published writer of 2 books, editor of 3, and I just want to share this skill set and this knowledge with young people so that they too may be able to make something of their creative craft.